No, I not use red chili because
Okay.
red chili is acid.
Ah,
Understand? So
okay.
when you eat red chili is in here, you see like I don't know acidity.
Ah, acid reflux. Some
But
people have.
yeah, some
Okay.
people you have
Okay.
acidity.
Okay.
Why is acidity? Because it's not spicy. Is not acidity. It's chili. If you see nature, you have chili is green. If you cut a chili and give 1 weeks in your room, is come red.
Ah.
Why it come red? Because its acidity is coming inside. And this one, when you use it, is not give you good for your stomach.
Okay.
If you use fresh chili, green chili, it is not give you acidity.
Okay.
So I tried. My all spicy is use only green chili,
Okay.
but not hot chili. It's like a vegetarian chili, which one Africa in also use Ontier, Réunion, Madagascar. If you see, is it used too many people use green chili.